Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my own version of vegan Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. So many people get so bothered when vegans say vegan chicken, vegan sausage, vegan beef, vegan pork. Leave us alone. Like, can we say what we say? Like, is it hurting you? Is your cholesterol getting low? Like, why can't we say what we say? So today I'll be making vegan Popeyes chicken sandwich. I know you're wondering, like, girl, you wear makeup to cook? No, I do not. But I mean, why not? I know you look cute for the video, one. Two, why you need to turn down? Turn up. The first thing we're gonna do is get things together. So you might not see me, you might see more of the stuff, which is probably better for y'all eyes. So the first thing I did is I put a cup of milk and I put a tablespoon of, what do you call it, lemon, which is going to be our buttermilk. I'll leave right up here how I did that. So we have the buttermilk right here. What we're going to do is stir. So you have to let it sit so it can get curd. Is that what they call it? Curd up to be like, you know, buttermilk. And then I made my own cayenne pepper with seasoning in it. So I like spicy stuff. So I'm going to have mine super spicy. So I'm going to get a spoon. And I'm going to use about a tablespoon and put it in there. And then I'm going to mix it all up. I put in here, which is the flour, I put seasonings in here, cornstarch, Miss Dash. I'll have all the measurements in the description box on how I season the flour. The meat that we're going to be using is, boom, Gardein. This is not sponsored, but Gardein. Holla at your girl because it's expensive. Come on, it's almost $5, girl. So it's not sponsored, but it can be. Gardein, shout you out. So this is my favorite vegan brand. I love all their meats. What we're gonna do is use 2 of these. They come frozen, so you obviously have to thaw it out. Well, I did. And it comes like this. So in order to get that thick, juicy, succulent patty, is that what they call it? Patty. What we're gonna do is put them together. But before we put them together, I want to merge them into the buttermilk sauce. So what I'm gonna do is get a bowl and then pour the buttermilk inside the bowl. Again, if you don't like spicy, you can omit that process, but I like spicy. So buttermilk and my seasonings are in here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get so these ones actually come pre-seasoned, so they lightly seasoned. You know me, I'm Caribbean, you know, I'm from Haiti. So I like my stuff seasoned very well. So what I'm gonna do is put them here. So the bread that I'm gonna be using for our sandwich is this, what is it called? Enzio and Sons. I believe it's Italian bread. So what I did to try to get the consistency of chicken is I just mushed the 2 patties together. Let's see how this works out, because I don't know. We're going to transport it into the flour, and we want to make sure that it is coated really good. So don't worry about getting your hands dirty. You have to kind of get your hands dirty. You know what I'm saying? So you want to coat it, and then because this is so delicate, I just think we should just put it in the, let's do this. I'm gonna do it like this. Put it in this, dust off the extra flour, and then we're gonna transport it back into this just to get another coat. But you might want to use a little spoonish thing so that they don't fall all off. So this is how it looks. Look how juicy that looks. It's so thick. So now that we have our fried chicken done, what we're going to do is the bun. So they said it was a sweet bun, I guess. Sweet and savory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some vegan butter. Butter, butter, butter makes everything better. Butter, butter, butter makes everything better. So I'm going to get some butter and we're just going to toast it. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is the sauce. Okay, so this is what the bread looks like. Nice and crispy. What we're gonna do is take the sauce, which is the mayonnaise, the ketchup, the red hot, and the little seasonings to make it spicy. What we're gonna do is put this on the bread. Yummy, yummy. And I love sauce, so I'm putting a little extra. Take our crispy chicken. We're gonna put it right on top. Look how beautiful this looks. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. And then, actually, let me add a little more. A little more sauce because I love sauce. And then I'm gonna put that on top like this. Yummy. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm so excited to try this. I feel like it looks too pretty to eat, but you know your girl's hungry. So let's just cut it. This is so, first of all, I know you guys saw up close, but let's just do it one more time. Look how juicy this looks. Enough of that, enough of that. Let's just cut into this. Let's taste this. It smells so good. Okay, ready? I hate when people do that. That is really good. It is really good. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Guys, like, look at the chip. Yo. You know when something's so good, you have dance. Beyond the meat being so good and flavorful, the crunchiness of the bread along with the sauce and the pickles. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. This truly is an amazing sandwich. I don't know about the Popeyes one, no shade, never tasted it before, but this concept is amazing. Like, it's so good, and it's so many different flavors bursting in your mouth. Oh my goodness, it is so good. Obviously, if I just devoured a sandwich, a half a sandwich, but like the crispiness. Make sure you season, because the whole thing is to make it seem and taste like an actual chicken sandwich. But this is really amazing. Like, this is really, really, really good. Like, I really, really like it a lot. And I'm about to eat, so I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. If you do not subscribe, I'm judging you, and that is your business. Bye.